Welcome to Arupa Apps. Your low-code no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture form data and push to Google Sheet. Enhance your business efficiency with smart automation. Tired of manual data entry? Arupa Apps' Google Sheets integration makes data management effortless. Every form filled by your customer is automatically documented in Google Sheets, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Customize forms to fit your needs, automate workflows, and save valuable time. Seamlessly manage data without juggling multiple apps or drowning in spreadsheets. Transform the way you work with Arupa Apps. Try it today and take your business operations to the next level. Arupa Apps integration with Google Sheets enhances efficiency across various industries. In e-commerce, customer orders are instantly recorded for tracking. In healthcare, patient appointment bookings sync automatically. In logistics, shipment details update in real time. In education, student registrations are logged instantly. In finance, expense tracking is automated for better reporting. And in corporate settings, employee data, project tracking, and attendance records are seamlessly managed. This integration streamlines workflows and boosts efficiency across sectors. In this video, I will guide you through the complete process of integrating Google Sheets with Arupa Apps. First, I will demonstrate how to create a form in Arupa Apps. Next, I will show you how to set up a Google spreadsheet. Then, I will walk you through the integration process to connect Google Sheets with Arupa Apps. Finally, I will create an automated workflow to streamline data entry. At the end of the video, I will fill out the form we've created and show you how the data seamlessly populates in Google Sheets in real time. So let's begin. I will show you how to create a form. To create a form, open the dashboard menu, navigate to Forms and select All Forms. Click Create Form and choose General Form to access the form creation page, where all the necessary tools are available for designing your form. A tutorial video on our page on how to create a form with file attachments and embed it into the website provides additional guidance on using these tools. Name the form accordingly. I will use the input tool to capture name, email ID, and phone number, setting the input type accordingly. Finally, I'll add a button tool. To save the form, scroll to the top and change the status from draft to active to start the form. If needed, switch the status to inactive later once it's completed. Adjust final settings as needed. Private restricts access to users other than the users in the tenant. Public allows anyone to access it, and embed enables addition to any HTML page. For this example, I will set the form to public. Finally, we will save the form. When you click on this URL, it will take you to the form. This is the form we just created. Next, I will demonstrate how to create a Google spreadsheet for integration with Arupa Apps. First, go to the Google homepage and log in with the Gmail account you want to integrate. Next, click the dots in the top right corner and select Google Sheets. Here, you'll find all your previously created spreadsheets. To create a new one, click on Blank Spreadsheet. In the first row, enter the column headings that match the fields from the form to ensure seamless data capture. Finally, give your spreadsheet a title. I'll name this one Demo. Now I will demonstrate how to integrate Google Sheets with Arupa Apps. First, open Arupa Apps, navigate to the dashboard menu and select Settings. From there, click on Integrations, then select Add Integration. In the Integration Type drop-down, choose Google Spreadsheet. Under API Credentials, select the auth method and be sure to name your integration for easy identification. Next, click Connect and select the Google account you wish to integrate. Grant the necessary permissions by checking the required boxes to ensure seamless automation. Then click Continue. This will redirect you back to the integration page in Arupa Apps. Once the authorization is successful, click Save and Submit. Your integration is now successfully added and ready to use. Finally, we will create a flow to automate the process seamlessly. First, open the dashboard menu, navigate to Flows, and click Create Flow. Give your flow a clear and relevant name. Start by clicking the trigger node and selecting Form Submission as the trigger type. Then, under Source Name, select the form you created. In this example, I will choose the form we just built. Next, click on the Spreadsheet node from the options on the left and connect it with the trigger node. Select the Google integration we just configured. Click Select Files, which will open a list of all your Google spreadsheets. Choose the one created for this data collection year. I will select the demo file. Click Select and the spreadsheet's file name will automatically appear in the file name field. In the sheet name field, select the specific sheet where the data should be recorded. Now, click on Smart Mapper. The target keys represent the column headers in your Google spreadsheet. On the right side, under Entity, select the form submission. In the Forms field drop-down, choose the form you created. The form fields will automatically appear under Source Keys. To map the fields correctly, drag each field from the source keys and drop it into the map keys in the corresponding row of the target keys. For example, if you want the name field from the form to be recorded in the name column of the spreadsheet, drag the name field from source keys and drop it into the mapped keys in the same row as the name field in the target keys. You can also manually enter field names by clicking the Edit tool if needed. Once all fields are mapped correctly, click Save Smart Mapper. Then, save the flow to complete the automation setup. Now, I will fill out the form we've created and show you how the data seamlessly populates in Google Sheets in real time. Thank you for watching our video on how to capture form data and push to Google Sheet. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on using different tools in Arupa apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@arupaapps.com. Thank you.